Great.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sagar. I guess we can all introduce ourselves.
Yeah, my name is Russell.
My name is Yuquan.
And my name is Augustine.
And this week we are doing the resume parsing project for Headstarter. And so to start it off, we created like a very simple front end page that allows us to upload resumes using either a choose file button or a little box that you can drag a resume into. We've started off with text files, but we can easily incorporate PDF uploading using the PDF parse and PDF to text dependencies that React allows us to use. So right now we're going to upload a quick text resume. Take a quick second.
Okay, file was uploaded.
Yeah. And so
Cool.
now the file has been uploaded. We can easily add something to kind of have like some confirmation or a separate upload button. But just to kind of have the application running, now we can go to the database view. And it shows Sagaratha's resume as the most recent one being uploaded. And I will leave it to Russell to talk about parsing.
Great. So as you noticed, we got several resumes that we've uploaded. What a program does is it scans through the resume and so we parse through the resume and we find keywords, whether that be an education like master, diploma, or like various programming languages. This is done by, we have a list of different programming languages. We also have a different list of different educations. To get the name, we just consider the name to be the first two words of the file. And to get the languages in education, we iterate through each of the words of their respective arrays, check if it appears in the file. If so, we add it to a list, return that list, and that list is passed into Firebase.
Yeah, so next we take each of the extracted keywords, and if we go to Firebase, and then Firebase database, we can see that each of these fields are stored into an auto-generated ID, where first it's under the collection of resume, and then inside the document is each ID that's auto-generated, and inside each user's auto-generated ID we have the fields and the extracted keywords.
Yeah, when it comes to then displaying the database, we use a bootstrap table, and the bootstrap table will map through the database, and it will display each entry depending on what is in the keywords section. Right now, nothing is typed in, so it displays every single database right now. But if we were to look for a name, like let's say John Doe, it will show only John Doe. If we want a certain degree, let's say we want someone with a master's degree, it'll only show the person with the master's. Same if we do the doctorate. There we go. With doctorate. And we want to look for specific languages. We can look up like Swift, and it'll show people with Swift. We can do Java. It shows these three that have Java and all the other languages they have as well. And if for whatever reason you need to delete something from the entry level, you don't want the applicant to be there, you can click the delete button. Give it a bit. Give you an alert. The database view, and you'll see that the entry has been deleted from the table.
Yeah, and I guess a few things that we could probably, with a little more time, incorporate are just like small little front end kind of like tweaking just to kind of make it look a little cleaner. But our UX designer helped us give us like a really nice Figma layout, and we can add simple things like the confetti API to kind of celebrate someone uploading a resume, as well as like real time like deleting like confirmation like React toast notifications that we kind of used in previous projects. But we definitely upgraded our projects, I think, from the week one of the program. So this is definitely a fun experiment. But yeah, any last words?
Nah, it was a fun experience. It was definitely a big upgrade than the first project I
Yeah.
did.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Oh yeah, and lastly, I guess like another thing that we could add is something like the amount of instances of a certain term like Java to kind of denote who has more Java experience. That is something we could incorporate in the future, but we wanted to make sure we correctly parse through resumes. But yeah, thank you for listening, and yeah.